Hi guys, going to put this kit together, I think. Timberkits Happy Hands. It's a animatronic. Turn the handle and he claps his hands. Obviously I picked it up in a charity shop for £4. Cancer research. Got some glue, some wax for lubricating the surfaces. Looks like some other bits there. Oh, an addendum to the instructions. And you can go to their site, www.timberkits.com, for instructional videos. Okay, that looks like all the bits are there. I wonder if that glue's any good. Usually when I get these kits from charity shops, the glue's dried out. Well, that glue might be all right. That'll be a first time for me then, if we try and use their glue. 1A and 1B, we put them together and we have to leave them for 10 minutes for the glue to dry. One might be tempted to use super glue instead.
it's time to fly away, my dear.
طائرة طيران الإمارات رحلة رقم 432 والمتوجهة إلى أوكلاند عن طريق سنغافورة. الرجاء التوجه إلى الطائرة من خلال البوابة رقم 13. Emirates Flight 4.
Right, I think the glue's dried enough. Can we position this so we can see it on the camera? Come back a little bit. There we go. That's better. As you can see, I've got it sitting on the motorised unit. I haven't glued it or screwed it in place. I just have to hold it still. And there we go. Happy Hands. Yeah, I struggled with that. That's because I'm getting really bad at following instructions. But it's all there now. Just put them in the sunlight so we can see them. It's rocking around a little bit. That's because I haven't glued it still. I like that one. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. And somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.